Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to group multiple text box in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show group multiple text box. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for drawing option. Then click for a text box, then create it. Drawing a text box. Now click for a border headed, then click for 3px and text box. Now fill color, then click for fill color option, then NSS color. Now any text, then again and the text box, correct. Now click draw a text box. Now click for red color option, then click for a fill color option, then NSS color. This text box from the moved. Then other text box from drawing. This text box, multiple text box from a group. Now select from a all text box. Now click for a mouse right button option, then click for a group. Now for another click for, then move the text box. That is. Now scroll your mouse. Now click for save and close option. That is. Then you show group multiple text box in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.